Age Adjectives. Unlocking the keys to descriptive English. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. We're going to delve into a very special kind of adjectives called age adjectives. They're super useful when it comes to describing how old something or someone is. By mastering age adjectives, you can make your English more vibrant and accurate. Let's get started. Age adjectives are descriptive adjectives that help us to express the age or the stage of life of a person, animal, or thing. They can help us describe whether something is brand new or ancient, whether a person is young or elderly. By using age adjectives correctly, you can add a wealth of detail to your descriptions. Now that we know what age adjectives are, let's take a look at some examples. Age adjectives include words like new, old. These are the most common adjectives to describe age. For example, I bought a new car. Or, that's an old building. Ancient, modern. These adjectives often describe objects, buildings, or ideas. For instance, this is an ancient artifact. Or, we live in a modern society. Young, middle-aged, elderly. These words are often used to describe people. For example, he is a young boy. Or, she is an elderly lady. Remember, the adjectives can also be used in comparative and superlative forms such as younger, oldest, etc. Let's dive deeper and see how we can use these age adjectives in sentences. 1. The new phone is much faster than my old one. 2. My grandfather is an elderly man, but he is still very active. 3. The ancient civilization left many artifacts for us to study. 4. Sarah is a young and vibrant leader in our community. Finally, let's take a look at some common mistakes that learners often make with age adjectives. Not using hyphens when needed. When age adjectives are used before the noun they modify, they need a hyphen. For example, we say, she is a 10-year-old girl, not, she is a 10-year-old girl. Incorrect word order. Remember, adjectives generally come before the noun they modify in English. So we say, old car, not, car old. And that's it for our video on age adjectives. Remember, adjectives are key tools in your English language toolbox, and age adjectives, in particular, can help you give precise and colorful descriptions. Keep practicing, and soon, using these age adjectives will become second nature to you. As always, keep learning and stay curious. See you in the next video.